हे गाइस नमस्कार। मेरा नाम अमित है और मैं आज आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ कैलकुलेशन ऑफ CAGR। CAGR कैसे निकालते हैं, उसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है, CAGR का फॉर्मूला क्या है, ये सब मैं आपको इस वीडियो में कवर करने वाला हूँ। तो बेसिकली CAGR का फुल फॉर्म है कंपाउंड एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट। द कंपाउंड एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ एन इन्वेस्टमेंट is the underlying compound interest rate that equals the end value of its investment with the beginning value. Okay, so CAGR is a useful measure of growth rate over multiple time periods. To calculate compound annual growth rate, divide the value of an investment at the end of the period by its value at the beginning of the period. Raise the result power of 1 divided by the power period length and subtract 1 from the result. Okay, so let's see CAGR formula. See, here it's the CAGR formula. CAGR is equal to end value divided by beginning value 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, so EV indicates that investments ending value, and BV indicates that investments beginning value, or N indicates that number of the period. Okay, so let's calculate for CAGR for 2 years. So here is the question, guys. Mrs. Aarti made an investment of rupees 100 that grows to rupees 120 in 2 years. Okay, so calculate CAGR. Let's see what is ending value here. End value is equal to C. Aarti made an investment of rupees 100 that grows rupees 120. Okay, 120 rupees is end value. Okay, and 100 rupees she invested, it's the opening value yani beginning value. Okay, beginning value. Okay, it's end value. So let's see, let's write here and 120 and beginning value is equal to 100 rupees. Number of year is equal to for 2 years na, for 2 years. Okay, for 2 year. Okay, so what is the formula here? End value divided by beginning value 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, so right here end value, what is end value? 120. Okay, 120 divided by 100. 120 divided by 100, bracket open and close. 1 divided by number of years is 2 minus 1. Okay, so is equal to, let's calculate in the calculator, is equal to see 120 see 120 divided by 100. Okay, 120 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2, and for 2 years you have to just press single time this. Okay, this is single time. Okay, what is answer? 1.095. okay, 1 point right here 1.095. okay, 4 also. So it's done, its calculation is done. Minus 1 is after that minus 1, 0.0954, you will receive 0.0954. okay, and from this you have to multiply 100 for percentage, and what will become here? Do minus 1 is equal to 0.0954, 0.0954, 0.0954. okay, multiply by 100, what comes? 9.54 percentage. 9.54 percentage. okay, it is the CAGR final value. Calculate of returns is compound annual growth rate is 9.54 percentage. The CAGR, guys, and after that we are going to calculate for 6 years, and after that 3 years. okay, so 2 years, 4 years and 6 years, it's a simple. Just you have to do is what, you have to press single times. If there is a 2 years, then you have to press single times. If there is a 4 years, you have to press here 2 times. And if there is a calculation of 6 years, then you have to click thrice over square root. okay, so for 3 years there is a different, for 5 years odd numbers there is a different formula we have to use, and we are going to discuss in this video. okay, for 6 year, let's write the question here first. So here is the question. So what's the question is, let's assume you invest rupees 1000 in a fund. okay, so here's the beginning value, you got the beginning value, in a fund for 6 years. Okay, here is the number of years. The year end value of the investment is listed below for each year. So here is the beginning value is rupees 1000. It's written here. Okay, don't see here, it's written here beginning value 1000. After the last 6 year fund, for the 6 year, after the last year 6 year, the fund value is rupees 5000. So beginning value is rupees 1000 and end value is rupees 5000. Okay, 5000. Okay, 5000. And what is the number of year? Of year is equal to 6 year. Okay, 6 year. So calculate, what is the formula of CAGR, guys? CAGR is equal to and value divided by beginning value. Okay, 1 minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, so what is the end value? You got their end value is rupees 5 over here, and after the 5 it is remained that 1 divided by 6 minus 1. Okay, so calculation of this just have to do is 6. What I said is, if there is a number of years 6, then you have to press square root thrice in a year, thrice. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, what you got is 1.228. so I will write here 1.223. okay, there is a 2 last, last number is 8, so I will write here 3 minus 1 remains here minus 1. Okay, so is equal to minus, and if you will do minus 1, if you will do is minus 1, you will got 0.223. okay, 223. What you have to do is multiply by 100 to calculate in the percentage. I will multiply by 100. So after minus 1 multiply by 100 is equal to 22.28 percentage. Okay, I will not write it here to 8, so I will write here, I am going to write here the 22.3 percentage. Okay, this is the answer for 6 year calculation of CAGR. Okay, so now I am going to discuss of for 3 years. First write question here. Before going to solve the question for 3 years, I am giving a question for 4 years to calculate. So this question is for you guys. Calculate and find the answer here. I will write answer here that CAGR value is 7.791 percentage. 7.791 percentage. Okay, 791, it's 7.791. so let me tell you in the comment section that you got the answer right or not. Okay, let's write the question for 3 years and I will calculate for you guys. So here is the question, guys. Mr. Karan invested rupees 100 in a mutual fund scheme. After 3 years, he sold the mutual fund unit and received rupees 800. Calculate CAGR. So what is the beginning value here? He invested rupees 100. Na? So beginning value is 100 and end value is he sold after 3 years and he received 800. End value is 800. Number of years he hold the funds is 3 years. Okay, so CAGR end value is 100. Let's write here 100 divided by it's 100, sorry guys, it's 100. Okay, it's 100. 800 divided by 100, 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, so let's first calculate this. Okay, you got the answer 8. It's remain 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So calculate this for 3 years. First what you have to do is use the scientific use this calculator, not use scientific calculator. It's that 8 divided by 1 8. Okay, so 8 is our formula. uh, what you have to do is uh, use this square root symbol and click twice in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 1.005. So after clicking 12 times in a row, you have to do is minus 1. Okay, then divide by number of years 3, then plus 1. You got the answer 1.0016. Then what you have to do is click multiply and is equal to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2.000. Okay, so let's write 2.000. Okay, 2.000. It's still it is remaining minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to, if you do minus 1, so what are the answer is 1.000. Then multiply by 100 is equal to 100 percentage. Okay, so let's calculate minus 1 first, then multiply by 100. What you got is 100 percentage. 100 percentage. Okay, so it's a CAGR final value, compound annual growth rate for 3 years is 100 percentage. I will write this 3 years calculation in the screen. Okay, thank you guys, that's it for today. And guys, one more thing, I have given you a question, that is question number 3. Mr. Shah invested rupees 1 lakh in a mutual fund scheme. It's the beginning value. After 4 years, its number of years, he sold the mutual fund unit and received rupees 1,35,000. It's the end value. So calculate CAGR. Use this formula: CAGR end value divided by beginning value. 1 divided by n minus is equal to 4 minus 1. Okay, calculate the CAGR and comment. Please reply in the comment section that you got the answer or not. It's the final answer. CAGR is equal to 7.7911%. Okay, thank you. And guys, if you have any doubt related to the CAGR calculation, then let me know in the comment section. I will solve all of your doubt in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you guys.